Is this a lot? Oh,
That's a lot.
okay. Okay. Ashley's gonna try solids for the first time. Yes. Solids for the first time. Avocado. Avocado mixed with breast milk. Ashley. Ashley.
Hey.
Ashley. Ashley. Okay. Okay. What do you think?
Your turn.
Is that weird?
Mmm.
What do you think? What do you think?
He doesn't know how to eat it.
What do you think? She's not pushing it out though. Ashley.
Maybe flip the spoon upside down. Oh, yeah, yummy.
Here, Ashley. You want a little more? You want a little more? Is that good? Still thinking about it?
She's like, ew.
She's like, I'm not sure. It's different. What do you think, baby? Is it yummy? You like? Uh-oh. A little more. Oh, not really.
Here, flip the spoon.
She's kind of playing with it now. Oh.
Yummy.
Okay.
Yummy.
Good job. Good job. Yum, yum. Good job, Ashley.